Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. What are the physical quantities? Physical quantity is a quantity which is measurable, which can be measured, or which has a physique. For example, mass, length, volume is measurable or it has a physique. But if we say about the joints, size of joint is immeasurable. Size of fictions, fantasies, or spirituals. There are many spiritual facts I can say, but I cannot measure those spiritual facts. So any quantity which has a physique is known as physical quantity, or it can be measurable. For the measurement of these physical quantities, there are two steps which are involved for the measurement. Number one, we have to choose the standard, and secondly, we have to establish the procedure of comparing this quantity with the standard quantity, that is known as a unit. An ideal standard has two principal characteristics. That means a unit has two characteristics. It is accessible unit, or it is, and also it is invariable. In 1960s, an international committee agreed on a set of definitions and standards to describe the physical quantities. The System International is built up of three kinds of units. Number one, base units, supplementary units, and the derived units. So, first of all, we discuss about the base quantities. There are 7 base quantities, so we have to establish the 7 base units for those quantities. Those base quantities are called mass, length, time, current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminance intensity. The unit of mass is kilogram, set by the System International. Similarly, System International has also set the unit of length as meter. The unit of time is second, current is ampere, temperature, the unit of temperature is Kelvin. And the amount of substance, how much a substance or a physical matter or a matter is measured by a mole. And we will go into the details of mole in the next lectures. Similarly, intensity of light is measured by unit candela. We proceed further. Initially, the three basic SI units are the length, mass, and time. And the unit we have already discussed of these quantities are meter, kilogram, and the seconds. Meter is a certain distance agreed by the System International unit, and it is kept in France. Similarly, at the head office of the SI. Similarly, the standards are of mass and is a kilogram, and the time is a second, are also defined by the System International units. More precisely, this unit of the length, that is meter, is defined by a light speed. The distance traveled by the light in vacuum during the 1/1299792,458 second part of a second. So it is a very small distance traveled by the light. And this distance which is traveled is known as 1 meter. Similarly, the unit of time is taken as a second, and this small time means second is defined as the atomic clock time taken, that is time taken by the oscillations of the cesium-133 atom for 9192631700 oscillations, as we know that the cesium atom emits light, can emit light, it is a radioactive atom, it can emit light, radiations, and the frequency or the oscillation of those radiations are actually the 9192631700. So in 1 second, this atom vibrates to many oscillations. So 1 second is a very small time, and usually we understand the 1 second by a tick of the clock. And defining this unit precisely is actually the science. This clock will neither gain or lose a second in 20 million years. As a unit of kilogram, a mass of a specific platinum iridium alloy kept at the International Bureau of the Weight and Measures near Paris. Copies of this unit are kept in all over the countries. For example, if I say a person is 141 kilogram bulky, it means that he is the 141 pieces of the unit or the standard will balance the weight of the Rehan. Thanks a lot. Continue watching my lectures, and I will try my best to produce good lectures for understanding of the physics and other subjects. Thank you.